stuff.
What up? So we're going on a pretty epic adventure this weekend, and took the bike in for chain maintenance because it's going to be quite a trip up there. Turns out that there's a almost broken link, so got to go to the store and get a new sprocket chain. So I'm going to go do that. Just getting some lunch here. Some beautiful chicken kebab. So it turns out that the chain for the motorcycle is a very, very specific chain. So it was the only bike that chain was used on. Actually gonna end up replacing the sprockets and the chain because we got this fun trip this weekend. I actually have to take it to a shop for them to do it. I'm not gonna have enough time to do the labor myself. So long story short, getting the chain and sprockets replaced today. So turns out we got even more issue. So my buddy gave me his stock 2014 R6 sprockets, and I'm really hoping they fit on my 04. Different chain size, so I got the chain. The stock sprocket on the 2014 has 3 less teeth on the rear sprocket than the 2004, so really hoping it doesn't ride that differently because I really like the low end power on the 48 tooth rear sprocket. Really hoping that the front sprocket fits. We know the back one does, but not sure about the front. So about to go back to the shop, check in, see how it's going. Alright, got the bike back from the shop after doing the sprocket and chain replacement. So now I'm trying to do a quick frame slider install. We'll start over here by removing this bolt on the left side. So this side is pretty straightforward. The other side we're going to have to take off the fairing and add the extension arm. We've got these pretty basic frame sliders here. Frame slider itself, the spacer, just drop the spacer in there. It calls for the longest bolt on this side, so drop that in there. Let's move on to the other side. We're going to start off by loosening all these fairing bolts. Alright, so remove a fairing. Make sure you keep track of all the loosen it up. So we'll just go ahead and pull it off. Alright, so for this one you take the shorter of the 2 bolts that are left. There's a washer there, and we're going to attach this bracket. This is so you don't have to cut the fairings, so the frame slider will poke out from the hole in the fairing. Let's grab the fairing and see the positioning. Should be good. So, take the second frame slider, drop the bolt and washer in there, the spacer like this. Fairing back on. And that's how you install frame sliders on a 2004 Yamaha R6.